News.
It's not raining on John there, but this evening it was pouring downtown Salt Lake.
Good rain, yeah.
You know, we've had one of the higher rain totals right here at the KSL studio. In fact, 2/10 of an inch and 1/4 of an inch of rain, so a fairly substantial precipitation event. Now, out in Tooele, a lot of snow still hanging around in the mountains, lots of low-lying clouds as well. We love you folks in Tooele, and we want you to know we take pictures of your valley too, all right? We took pictures of the Salt Lake Valley. Well, I didn't take it, we didn't take it, but Amber Sagers did, and these are some really nice pictures during the day today when it wasn't raining. Yeah, it was an overcast day, but she sends these really nice pictures, and you can tell there's fall in the valley. Most of the colors are gone in the mountains, but in the valley, you can find some really, really nice colors. All right, let's change the topic. It's been raining, and this evening, fairly substantial. Cottonwood Heights, 0.43. The East Bench of Salt Lake City, 0.31. Now, Alta, 0.75. That's about 4 inches of snow, and I'll show you that in a moment. Highland and Northeast Ogden all picking up some pretty good precipitation. The BYU campus, and even here, downtown Salt Lake City, 0.20. Alta 4 inches, Snowbird 4 inches, Farmington Canyon 4 inches. I found 2 to 4 inches generally in the Uinta Mountains. The Ochre Mountains have picked up 3 inches, Solitude 2 inches, and Snow Basin 1.5 inches. Outside right now, see a nice view here in the background of the city. 37 in Ogden, 38 in Ogden, and Salt Lake is 37. Provo is 34. St. George, 54 degrees. Now, we did have an inch of snow in Alpine today. There's that heavy rain. Dennis Tolman says 0.26 inches in Brigham City this evening. But look at Kanab, 57 degrees. Southern Utah really warmed up today, while most of the rest of the north, not very warm. Lots of areas reporting precipitation. Montpelier, 34-mile-per-hour wind gusts when the storms went through. Roosevelt, 44 and 17. 0.07 at the airport. St. George, Larry Matthews says 64 and 41 today. Nice day. Now, look with me on this satellite picture. Here's what's important for you to see. That northerly flow banks up against the Wasatch, and anything that comes down precipitates. It's just something that happens. It's a favorable flow. But notice back here, there's a break. So when we put the maps into motion, when we forecast, watch how these precipitation areas diminish overnight so that by tomorrow we're actually into some sunshine in the afternoon briefly. This is 10 p.m. tomorrow night. Look what happens. Here's a cold front. 10 p.m. to 9 a.m. in the morning on Tuesday, there will be a period of precipitation. Now, this is a colder cold front, so it could produce another 3 to 6 inches of snow in the mountains. It's actually cold enough to produce a little bit of snow on the benches after the front goes by briefly on Tuesday morning. So there you have it. By Tuesday afternoon, the storm is gone, and we're back into some sunshine. In fact, several days of sunshine. The maps? Well, in the morning, showers around mainly in the mountains. Eastern Utah doesn't see a lot of precipitation out of this storm system. Southern Utah, a little bit of precipitation you can see there in the central mountains, the southwest mountains. But by afternoon, sunshine. Nice little warm-up in St. George. And then there's a storm coming in for the weekend. Here we are tonight. Notice how much of the area is covered by the green. Maps go into motion. Watch what happens during the day, midday, late in the day. So we're going to see generally a decrease in showers. So most of this is going to happen tonight and early tomorrow morning. Then it'll be gone. Now I want you to notice that Monday night, Tuesday morning, another chance for showers. I showed you that cold front. Warms up to 60 on Friday. Warm before the storm next weekend. Get out the snow shovels.
We'll be talking about snow next Saturday and Sunday.
Yes.
While we're all here. All
right in time for us to be working.
That's right.
Thanks, Tim.
Thanks,
You're
Tim.
welcome.
Tom Kirkland, fresh back from Notre Dame. That's the downside, but he's going to talk about the Jazz.